shift nonsense, I don't know what will. Lot 190. Yes, by all means.
9 years forever.
Lot 194, the 1987 Porsche 911 Turbo, an iconic 80s supercar with a back-pounding turbocharger, countless options, matching numbers, factory documentation, and of course, guards red in color. It's 80s perfection, the 87 Porsche 911 Turbo.
Alan, you forgot to tell everyone, it's manual.
Of course it is.
Of course it is. Ladies and gentlemen, what should we say? Hope anybody here, let's open the bidding at $50,000, shall we? 50, thank you, sir. Always count on you on a good opening bid on a push. 60, thank you, 60, do I have 70, sir? 70,000, and the second bid too. 70,000, do I have 80,000 now? We're at 80,000, thank you, 90, sir. We're at 80,000 only. At 80,000, do I have 90 anywhere now? At 80,000 or 90,000, thank you, sir. At 90,000, do I have $100,000? I've got 90 here, 100,000, thank you. I've got 100 here, do I have 110? 110, 110 on my left, thank you. At 110, 120 now. 120, thank you, with the orange. At 120,000, do I have 130 now? $130,000, 140 now. 140 now. With $130,000 then, do I have 140? With $130,000 I'm selling here on my left at $130,000. There's no reserve, it's here to be sold. We're at $130,000. I'm going to count it down very slowly here on my left. 140. You better. At 140, 145. Thank you, sir. $145,000. $150,000. Thank you. 155, sir. 155, thank you. 160 in the white cap at 160,000. 165, 170 in the white cap. Well, thank you for the bids anyway. At $170,000, the bids in the white cap in the back of the room on my left, and I'm selling all the way at $170,000. It's going for the first time. At $170,000, it's going for the second time. 175, 175, 180. Thank you, 180, 185 again. Nope. Are you sure this time?
We bought.
Just checking. At $180,000 then, it's selling to the back of the room in the white cap. It's going for the first time. At $180,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time at $180. 185. Good bid. If you started it, you might as well finish it. At $190. Thank you. 195, sir. 195, he says. At $190, $200,000 I have bid. Or we try. At $200,000, then it's in the back of the room. It's still selling and it's going for the first time. At $200,000, then it's going for the second time. Third, last time, the last chance at $200,000. Sold your Porsche. Well done. 4200. $200,000.